Welcome back to the online learning classes. Chapter number 11, and the chapter name is Human Body and Organ System. What is organ? Organs are made from the tissue and cells. Organ system are made up of organ which are perform similarly type of functions. Organ system means specific organs carry out the specific steps. Group of organs working together to perform a specific function is called organ system. Various organ systems like digestive, respiratory, circulatory, reproductive, skeleton, muscular, etc. are functioning in our body. Which different organs perform the function of breathing in the body of animals? Breathing involves exchange of gases through special respiratory organs called lungs. Lungs are air-filled sac-like structures in the chest cavity. They are connected to the outside by a series of tubes and small openings. Energy is essential to operate all the life processes in human body. Energy production occurs within the cells. Cells need the supply of soluble nutrients and oxygen for this purpose. Respiration. Respiration means biochemical process wherein the living cells of an organism produce energy by taking in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide from the oxidation of complex organic substance. Now we will see first external respiration. In that we will see two respiration. Inspiration means inhalation, expiration means exhalation. Inhalation means air is taken in through nose and sent towards the lungs through windpipe. Exhalation means oxygen from the inspired air goes into blood. Blood carries the carbon dioxide from various part of body towards lung. This air is given out by exhalation. Both of these process occurring with the help of lungs are collectively called as external respiration. Second is internal respiration. Internal respiration means exchange of gases between cells and tissue. Fluid is called as internal respiration. Oxygen moves from blood into tissue fluid and carbon dioxide moves from tissue fluid into blood. Third is cellular respiration. Dissolved nutrients like glucose are slowly burned, oxidized with the help of oxygen, and energy is released in the form of ATP. Waste materials like CO2, carbon dioxide, and water vapors are produced during this process. Now we will see respiratory system, structure, and function. First is nose. Respiratory system and respiration beings with nose. Air is filtered with the help of air present in the nose. Next is pharynx. Foot pipe and windpipe originated in the pharynx. Windpipe is present in the front of the foot pipe. There is a lid at the beginning of windpipe. This lid closes the windpipe during passing of food into pipe and thereby normally prevents the entry of food particles into windpipe. Next we will see lungs. A lungs is present on entire side of heart in thoracic cavity. Maximum area of thoracic cavity is occupied by lungs and they cover the maximum part of heart. Each lung has double layered covering. Next we will see alveoli. Alveoli means rich network of capillaries surround every alveolus. Their walls are extremely thin. Now last one is diaphragm. Muscular partitions dividing thoracic region and abdominal cavity. Function of diaphragm is movement of air in and out of the body caused due to upward and downwards movement of the diaphragm. Now blood circulatory system. Organs in blood circulatory system means heart, blood vessels and capillaries. Transport of various substances by blood is water, hormones, oxygen, soluble nutrients and waste material. Now we will see in detail about heart. Location where our heart is located in the thoracic cavity slightly inclined on left side behind the ribs between two lungs equal to one's own fist. Size of our heart is equal to one ounce fist. Weight is 360 gram. Covering of our heart is a double layered pericardial and membrane called pericardium. Protective fluid is present between two membranes. Structure of our heart is muscular organ formed of involuntary cardiac muscle. Four compartments are there. Compartments is of upper and lower. Upper, in upper we will say right and left arterial, and lower we will say right and left ventricles. Now we will see the functions of our heart. Construction and relaxation rhythmically, also called beating of the heart. Now we will see blood vessels. It is of three types: artery, veins, capillaries. Arteries. Now we will see arteries. Arteries transporting blood from the heart to the body, deeply located in the body. Walls are thick, transporting oxygenated blood. Now next is veins, transporting blood from the body to the heart, superficially located in the body. Walls are thin, transporting deoxygenated blood. Now we will see capillaries. Arteries keep on branching out to form their branches and sub-branches, ultimately forming capillaries. Capillaries in turn join to form veins. Capillaries are fine hair-like vessels with extremely thin single-celled layered walls. Every important vital organ has network of capillaries. The oxygen, nutrients, hormones, vitamins, etc. are transported to the cell and waste materials of the cells are removed from the cells through capillaries. Thus, capillaries carry out exchange of material in and out of the cell. Now, blood circulatory. Supply of blood to every cell by pumping of the heart and bringing it back to the heart is called blood circulatory. Blood circulation is carried out due to heartbeats. One contraction followed by one relaxation that occurs continuously is called a heartbeat. Next, the heartbeat is of 72 times per minute, which means that normal heart rate is 72 per minute. The heartbeats depend upon following factors: exercise, work, mental stress, emotions, sleep, age, etc. 75 ml blood is pumped out of the heart during each heartbeat. There is lub and dub heart sound at the time of each beat, which is cause of closing of heart valves. Next point is human blood groups. There are four types of blood group, that is A, B, AB and O. Rh positive and Rh negative are further subtypes. Thus, there are total 8 types of blood group commonly found in humans. ARH positive, ARH negative, BRH positive, BRH negative, ABRH positive, ABRH negative, ORH positive, ORH negative. Blood groups are formed due to antigen present on the RBCs and antibody present in the plasma. Blood donation means blood cannot be manufactured artificially. It must be donated from healthy person to a person who is in need. Blood transfusion. Blood transfusion means is the process in which the person who is in need of blood is given transfused blood from a healthy donor. Blood bank. In blood bank, the blood from the healthy donor is extracted by specific method with proper care and kept in refrigerated condition. Blood donor, the person who gives the blood. Recipient of blood means the person to be who blood is given. Universal donor, the person with O blood is called universal donor. Universal recipient, the person with AB blood group is called universal recipient. We will see blood pressure, the force of flowing blood which is extracted on the arteries wall is called blood pressure. Due to contraction of the heart, the blood pressure is created on the arteries. Blood pressure is described as 120 to 80 in medical terms. Now, lastly, we will see hypertension. Hypertension means high blood pressure. Blood pressure values more than 140 to 90 is hypertension or high blood pressure. In hypertension, there is stress on blood vessels and heart, and thus person has to be careful for controlling it. Hypertension can cause variety of damage in the body which may lead to heart disorder or death. Always remember, blood production occurs continuously in our body. About 350 ml of blood is collected from a person during donation, and our body restores the fluid part of it within 24 hours. Pregnant women cannot donate the blood. There is no trouble during or after the blood donation. 1st October is observed as National Voluntary Blood Donation Day. Healthy person of age more than 18 years can donate the blood for 3 to 4 times a year.